तासुब वाक़े पर सिक्योरिटी इदारे तहकीकात मुकम्मल कर रहे हैं। तहकीकात मुकम्मल होने पर मीडिया को आगाह करेंगे। तर्जुमान दफ्तर ख़ारजा मुमताज़ ज़हरा बलोच कहती हैं कि ईरान का आला सतह का वफ़द इस्लामाबाद में इस वक्त मौजूद है। पाकिस्तान ईरान ने दोबारा दो तरफ़ा ताल्लुकात के तमाम चैनल्स खोल दिए हैं। आलमी अदालत का हुक्म ना मानने पर इसराइल के मुहासबे का मुतालबा किया।
Israel's adventurism in the region reached a new height with its irresponsible attack this week on the consular section of the Iranian embassy in Damascus, Syria. This week's targeted strikes on the World Central Kitchen convoy in Gaza is also not an isolated incident. We condemn these atrocities and call for international accountability of Israel for its crimes against humanity. We also call for the immediate, full and effective implementation of the provisional orders of the International Court of Justice announced in January this year. The Indian occupation authorities have once again decided to deny permission to hold Eid al-Fitr prayers at Eidgah in Srinagar. We urge the Indian authorities to respect the right of the people of IIOJK to peaceful assembly and to freely practice their religion. Pakistan will continue to extend political, diplomatic and moral support to our Kashmiri brothers and sisters.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।